go wrong with that one. And there it is. Wow. I love it. Ah, yeah. Big shout out to Addie and Franklin. Thank you for joining my YouTube channel and have fun.
A few moments later.
Very chan, talking about the summer, right? Woo! Oh, it's another wonderful morning, isn't it, Berry Chan? And the racing adventure still lives on. Woo! It's cool to know that these flowers are ready to blossom and they're very beautiful. There they are, pretty flowers. Alright, so here we are at Clifton Hill. Just doing our usual thing. Woo! It's fun time! It's go time! Woo! Getting ready for the... Well, not the Comic-Con, but you know. What? It feels so nice outside. I wish every summer day would be like this. Can't believe it's gonna be the first day of July. Berry Chan, I definitely love the ice cream that they have here. Look at that. Woo! Here, Clifton Hill. Oh my goodness. Berry Chan, what's behind you? Is that a pirate ship? And this is a nice, beautiful thing I love about Niagara Falls. It's just so wonderful. Look at this. Oh my goodness, perfect temperatures. A little bit on the windy side, but I'll definitely take that on a hot summer breeze. But on a nice, cool day like this, it feels wonderful. Ooh, look at the beautiful Niagara Falls. And the long flower hay.
I'm here for a reason.
And they brought the flowers today. Yay! I love flowers. If that's what you want. And it's generally busy down here at Clifton Hill, but when I just pretty much came up from the top, there wasn't really much going on. As you can see, they kind of blocked up part of the parking. That's the Hoko property right there. And compared to last night, it wasn't as terrible, but definitely got its own vibe, so. Oh, there's Carlos. Carlos working hard though. I feel bad for Carlos in particular. Hey Carlos! Good to see you. Good friends all around here at Clifton Hill.
Good job!
Part of me wants to go to the gift shop right now, hi Leah, and do my thing, but right now I kind of want to enjoy the walk up and down Niagara Falls as well. So we got fabulous weather all around. We got days like this a lot more, and spring is actually feeling like spring. It's not feeling like a very short spring. Can't see nothing yet. Expected it to be more like during the summer weeks, summer months to come, because the kids are out of school and they're just pretty much enjoying their stuff. They're enjoying their times over here. And it's just fabulous all around. Some people are going and asking like, where's the washroom nearby? There is one near the Maze of Mirrors that not many people realize they could go to. But it's a little bit of a stress, however, waiting to go to the washroom, especially when you have a Wendy's that's packed, it gets pretty insane, so gotta love a Taylor Swift. It's a ton of fun here. Oh, so much fun. Because the weather's so nice, people usually won't come indoors unless it's like really rainy outside or it's really dark, and then it's like right after the fireworks, people just come up here for a little chill. But this Canada Day though, it's not as crazy as last year. Woo! Woo! But it did fall on the weekend, so I mean, I kind of get it, sort of thing. Kind of get it, but this is where you generally head, because we're still on Clifton Hill. So if you reach the very bottom of Clifton Hill, you'll be able to see Niagara Falls from here. And it's just really extravagant stuff. Right here, Niagara Falls, Canada. It's a lot of neat stuff. Like, ooh, look at this. Picnic-wise. Some people will actually lay tables on the grass and eat. Play a little bit of sports. I remember they actually did a little bit of barbecuing too. That's the Secret Garden, more the Secret Garden area, Oaks Theater, across the street. And once in a while, Niagara Parks will plant some really nice flowers. I usually stop by to just check out the flowers. They're really beautiful stuff. Really nice area. So this is where the fireworks pretty much shows up around 10 o'clock. Now they're gonna do it every night until closer to Labor Day and a little bit past because the kids are going back to school after that. So you got 2 months of what I call mayhem. This is basically heading down to the Niagara River. This is the Niagara Falls, Canada. And back there, that's where the people come from, all the way down here to Niagara Falls for the fireworks show. So now, if you probably are kind of curious and you're wondering like where the fireworks is shooting, it's just basically where you just see the Horseshoe Falls a little bit of it, and it's just above from it. So once in a while, see a good friend along the way, the bus drivers. Yes, we're getting ready for the ride. See if I see a couple of my friends. Hey, Ray. Yeah, Andy, right? Hey, Andy. Yeah. Oh. And yeah, so this is generally the direction where I just walk down, especially when I'm playing Pokemon Go. I like to head down this area and do my usual thing. Awesome sauce. That's what I have to say. Especially here in Niagara Falls, Canada. Oh, it looks like they're opening the gates. Woo! Let's go! Here in Niagara Falls, Canada. Oh yeah! Woo! It's a gorgeous day. Well, my Canadian friends, loving it, right, Barry Chan? Woo! But look, they get to be part of the rainbow.
Think it'll get me some pot of gold?
Be that hard. We obviously have some contenders over here, but yeah, that's a kind of a higher score that's unanticipated. Oh, it was on the grabs a special gun. No. Alright, well, welcome to the craziness that comes with the arcade. Got our kiosk to the left, coin pushes to the right, and a whole bunch of, oh, seriously? People actually been trying that much for the breakout? Oh, I have the password today, but can't wait when the Samsung challenge is gonna be back. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be, oh, hey, you got some Pac-Man going on here. I think they're just ready for a slugfest. Yeah, you gotta hit the center. Don't forget your credits. Oh, nothing. Still nothing. Hey. Oh, too soft. This might be the one. I hope so. I hope this is it. Please, yes. Oh!
How can you do a thing like this? Build up a little boy's hopes and then smash all his dreams to pieces.
What do you think it'll be this time, Bear Can? I don't know. What do you think? It'd be nice if they got the bonus Texas spin, but Carney's good. Tons of tickets. Tons of tickets. Woo! Oh, let's go dance. Shots fired! Shots fired! Who are you gonna call?
Did you see anything? No, sir. I didn't see you playing with your dolls again. Good!
Alright, my sweet supporters, let's go. I'll show you a little bit of how it works. Let's go, cuz it's gonna be crazy. Woo! They knew this was gonna happen because the entire road is now closed, right? Kind of ready to make a left turn, but no. Here's Canada. We're gonna enjoy the whole fireworks. Oh yeah. Oh, we're entering ground zero very shortly. Let's rock. Remember the totality? Well, yeah. It's kind of interesting. I love this crowd. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. Woo! I love it. Oh yeah. Oh, you guys are just showing the road. Remember the fireworks is longer 5 minutes this time. I don't know how long this time. Look at that beautiful fireworks down this side. Oh yeah. Woo! Woo! Yeah. I'm loving it. Woo! Are going on. Look how wonderful it is outside, Berry Tan. Oh yeah.